Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your Microsoft Authenticator app is not working on your iPhone. So first things first, what you're going to do is you're going to make sure your notifications are actually turned on, because if your notifications are off, then Authenticator may not work. Okay? Make sure you turn this on. Go to your iPhone, open settings, tap on notifications, just tap on Authenticator and make sure to allow notifications on. Okay? Make sure you allow it on. And next, guys, sometimes, all you need to do is do a quick reboot. A quick restart on your device should actually fix Microsoft Authenticator app problems. Okay, because sometimes, the app might crash, it may not open, it may freeze, or it may just prevent you from signing in. So all you want to do, guys, is of course just restart your device. And then another thing you can do, guys, is just update your device and your phone. Check for and install any available updates, because for example, a recent Microsoft Authenticator update may have fixed a problem since the last update. And if you're using the older version, your device may not be compatible with the new update. Then of course, guys, you want to check your internet connection, because you may actually need internet access to log in with Authenticator. And if the system basically just needs a one-time code from Authenticator, internet access is not needed. But if you're using passwordless sign-in Authenticator, or the administrator requires internet access for another reason, then a bad connection will basically cause Authenticator to not work. So make sure you connect it to a stable connection. So switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data, or vice versa. Just switch to a stable connection. And then, of course, guys, you need to enable location services, because some systems may require your location to actually sign in. Now, this won't matter if you're using one-time codes, but some websites require you to connect from specific locations. Okay, and if your administrator requires specific location services, you'll need to turn this feature on. So on your iPhone, what you want to do, guys, is you want to go to your settings, go to privacy and security, and then look for location services right there. And if this is turned off, toggle it on, and then you want to select always. So you select the option always, so it's always turned on. And then of course, guys, if you have been using a VPN, you want to try this with the VPN disabled, because a VPN can actually mess with Microsoft Authenticator if you're trying to log into a system that's actually expecting you to be coming from a specific IP address or location. You want to turn off your VPN temporarily to see if you can actually sign in with Authenticator, and you just want to go ahead and disconnect the VPN. So open up your VPN app, tap on disconnect, and confirm that, okay? And of course, guys, I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.